be showing you a good trick. I think it's good anyway. Well, I think it's good, I hope it is. Right, okay, so I'm gonna have you pick a card. Say it's this one. Got it? I'm just gonna put that over there. I'm gonna come back in a second, I just need to get my lighter. So, see you then. Hi, I'm back and I've got my lighter now. I'm just gonna light this. I've got a small flame there. Sorry, let me get a better candle. I'll see you. Bye. Hi, I'm back and I've got a better candle. I'm gonna light it. Hey, that's better. And under here I've got a prediction. What was your card? Let's reveal it. The Six of Hearts. I didn't predict the Six of Hearts. I predicted the Eight of Diamonds. Unless we do this. And it changes. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.